Hi, I'm Darren. I'm the Sales Director here at Edale. As Valentines is just around the corner, why don't you show the love to your production staff with the purchase of a highly automated FL3 label press from Edale. We currently have in build a 10 colour FL3 430mm wide press, ideal for labels and substrates from 12 micron to 450 micron. The press is equipped with a roll lift and a trolley for mounting the reels. It has a web guide system, it has a web cleaner, and it has a corona treater for plastic products. As I said, it has 10 colours, so 10 print stations. Each print station has 7 motors. We servo drive the analogs and we also servo drive the impression cylinder. We have 2 motors on the inking, both left and right. We have 2 motors on the impression, both left and right. And we have a hidden motor that does the cross register. On this press there is also a rail system that covers the full length of the press and allows us to add extra modules that can be moved to each print station. So the modules included on this press are a Turnbar. There is a lamination unit which can also double up as a coal foil unit. And at the very end of the press there is a waste matrix. As we travel down the press, every print station has 7 motors as discussed. So a 10 colour has 70 motors, which means 70 positions can be stored and quickly recalled by the operator. This reduces waste, setup time and operator input. At the end of the press on the last print station we have an easy reg camera. This is an autonomous register system, which means the press can bring itself into register without operator input, and it constantly checks the register throughout the print run. This press also has an easy die, which allows you to change a full rotary die in less than 2 minutes and bring it straight into register in both X and Y position. This press has a full touchscreen HMI, which allows you to control everything on the press from one single point. This press is available at the end of March 2023, and we still have time to configure it to your exact needs. Why don't you show the love to your production department and also your customers with the purchase of a highly automated FL3 press from Edale.